Next, we are completing a 3-part assignment on Schoology. This is a self-paced assignment in the American Revolution folder. Please scroll down to the gray folder titled The Boston Tea Party. You will see 3 individual assignments posted. The first step is to complete a playposit that describes Patriots versus Loyalists. You will open the selected playposit and complete it as necessary. When finished, please return to Schoology. You will see an assignment titled Part 2 Journal Entry. There is a 3-step process for this journal entry. You are going to choose the perspective of a loyalist or patriot. Step 2, you are going to list a few of their viewpoints and outlooks. And step 3, you are going to create a 5-sentence paragraph that describes your loyalist or patriot perspective. The journal prompt is as follows. Imagine you are present during or immediately after the Boston Tea Party. Describe your opinions of the event and your personal viewpoints. Do you agree or disagree with this event? Why or why not? When you are finished, there is a supplemental activity, Journey of Images, the Boston Tea Party. You are going to individually reflect on these images and use the supplemental readings for more information on the Boston Tea Party.